my dear student. I am Bharatosh Tarafdar, Assistant Teacher, AKBK High School, Dumuria, Khulna. At the time of coronavirus, our government has arranged online class. As a part of this, I want to take a class of 10. Now we are going to our class. Okay, my dear student. What can you see in the picture? You can see some lighting article which we use for lighting. Can you tell me, my dear student, how can it run? Yes, you are right. We run it by energy. Do you know how many kind of energy? So, our today's lesson, renewable energy. Unit 11, lesson 3. In this lesson, you can able to tell the meaning of the new words and use them. Write answer of simple question. Present own idea about renewable energy. Okay. Now we are going to the context. For your better understand, I add some picture in the context. I hope you can easily understand the context. Now I read the context and try to understand this context. Countries of the world rely heavily on petroleum, coal and natural gas for their energy source. Rely means depend. We depend on energy for run all this sector. Vehicles, industry, bus. Okay. We depend on energy source such as petroleum, coal and natural. Without it, we cannot run all these things. There are two major types of energy sources, renewable and non-renewable. I add here some picture. Renewable energy. What is renewable energy? The source that does not run out. We use again and again, such as solar energy, windmill, etc. And we vastly use non-renewable energy. Non-renewable means that we use that energy and it run out shortly, such as gas, coal and etc. Hydrocarbon or fossil fuels are non-renewable energy sources. Non-renewable sources of energy. Reliance on them poses real big problem. If we depend on this sector of source, we face various problems. First, fossil fuel such as oil, coal, gas, etc. Finite energy. Finite energy, limited energy. Source and the world eventually will run out of them. We use a vast amount of coal, gas, etc. every day for using our industrial sector, vehicle sector, so. But its sources is limited, so it shortly run out. Secondly, they will become too expensive in the coming decades. After 10 years or 20 years, it will finish and too damaging for the environment to repair. Its effects is very bad in our earth. Thirdly, fossil fuels have been directly polluting impacts on earth environment, causing global warming. All of you know that global warming is our very big problem nowadays. All the world leaders such as our Prime Minister, Bill Clinton, Bill Gates, all are emphasis to minimize the global energy, so we turn out the use of renewable energy sources. In contrast, renewable energy sources such as wind and solar energy are constantly and naturally replenished and never run out. These sources are not never run out. So we emphasize to use renewable energy. Most renewable energy comes either directly or indirectly from sun. All the energy source, renewable energy source, directly come sunlight. Sunlight or solar energy can be used for heating and lighting homes, for generating electricity for other commercial industries. All the sources, all the sectors, we use renewable energy. How can we find this renewable source? We come to the next. How can we get the renewable energy? The sun's heat drives the wind. You know, winds mixed by the sun heats. And this wind energy can be captured. We captured the wind by windmill with wind turbines. Wind turbines to reduce electricity. Then the wind and the sun's heat cause water to evaporate. We evaporate by sun heat. When the vapor turns into rain or snow and follows down into the rivers, restreamed its energy can be captured as hydroelectric energy. You know the circle of water. When sun hits the water, it turns into vapor and it makes the cloud, and after getting heat, it melts and follows by rain or snows and follows the river, and this water we can use by a barrage. You can see a barrage of our captive. How can make the energy source? By barraging the water. In this way we can use renewable energy. We also get the energy from biomass. How can we get renewable biomass? Ocean wave. Ocean wave also used for renewable energy. Interior Earth's heats. You know, our Earth's interior contain a huge amount of heat. We use also the heat for renewable energy. And from the natural element hydrogen. You know our natural element hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. If we separate it from the element of hydrogen, we can use for this for renewable energy. So my dear student, I hope you can understand the context. So now we see some new words of this context. Fossil. What is the meaning of fossil? You can see some picture. Fossil. It preserve remains of animals or plant. Fossil. We can use fossil fuels such as coal, gas. All are the reserves of preserve of animal. Replenish. Replace used item or refill. Replenished. Use again and again. Constantly. All the time. Or always. Vapor. Steam or humidity. Vapor. Finite. Limited. So my dear student, I hope you can understand the context. So now I ask some question of this context. I hope you can try to answer this question. Why we are trying to find out the renewable energy source? I hope you have already understand this. answer of the question. We try to find out the renewable energy sources because non-renewable source is too expensive and very shortly its sources are run out. And if we run our industry, run our vehicles, we must find out the renewable energy source. What do you mean by renewable source? What do renewable energy source means? This energy we can use, but its sources cannot run out, such as solar energy, windmill, etc. What are the sources of renewable energy? I have already told you. Our renewable energy sources are mainly sunlight and wind and water, our interior earth, our natural element of hydrogen. All those are renewable energy sources. So my dear student, I hope all of you understand this passage. So now I want to give you a homework. Our government is installing solar panels instead of conventional light to illuminate roads in many areas. All of you nowadays you see that any corner of the village or towns, our government arranges a solar panel light illuminate the road in many areas. Now you write 5 sentences about the good effect of it. Okay, my dear student, stay at home and maintain the hygiene and keep the marks and maintain the social distance. Okay, goodbye, see you again.